Hi, this is Jim.
And this is Pearl.
And we're escaping to the Smokies. Wow, we had a lot of fun exploring Cades Cove. Fortunately, the day's getting late, and we only seen half the stuff here, but we're gonna have to get heading out because it's getting time for dinner and head back to the campground. This is definitely gonna have to be a time we're gonna have to come back here and visit this again and see the rest of these beautiful buildings here. The drive heading out is just gorgeous. It's so neat, just driving along, taking your time, and just looking at this beautiful countryside. Wow, that lone tree out there is really neat. I think I'm gonna lock the gimbal on it and do a tracking scene here. Enjoy. Look at all the cars. Pearl says there's a bear. We're pulling over. Best sighting so far. He's just out there hanging around. I think I'll put the 2x multiplier on the phone and see if we can get any better pictures here. Using a cell phone to try to shoot these footages, but this is our best bear sighting, so y'all sit back and enjoy this bear out there bearing around. Everybody just loves stopping and looking at the bears. Oh, wait a minute, we did that too. I can see why, it's fun. thought driving along a road like this would have been so beautiful, but it was very enjoyable and so much to see on the Cades Cove Loop Road. Out, we caught a deer. Pearl got a quick shot of it, and we were heading on out, and it was just hanging there munching around. Sad to leave the park, but we're heading back to the KOA for dinner and a nice evening and relaxing and recovering from our adventuring. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.